Hey, this is a video going right with this review. You see, I also screenshotted the actual page so you can see the temperatures. This says 70. There's little heat coming out. I can feel it kind of on my table, which is about 2 feet down. Company did ask me how close the heater is. I can reach it with one hand. It says 65 in my house. I have this set as low as it can on the ambient temperature. I can't go any lower than 70. So again, it's kicked off and just kind of trying to keep the room at 68 based on supposedly the ambient temperature. So let's go into my son's room and see. Let me pause this and go in there. My son's room, as you see, not even on, which is good because it should be shutting down at 66. It's not even kicked on. And his thermometer, again, I just literally stepped to the side, says it's 63 in here. So I'm going to manually turn his on now because I can't do it from the device because I'm recording. So let's see if we can turn this on. Yeah, it says it's 66 in here. 3 degrees difference. I can't set the ambient any lower. So I'm going to turn his device up 3 degrees to kind of catch it up to the actual thermometer. And my living room, I actually kicked that on high this morning because it says it's 66 degrees in my living room. Now, my living room's the biggest of the house. It's 27 by, I think it's 28 by 13. And again, it's mounted on the wall, 66. Now, this thermometer is a little bit further away. This one says, let's see here, 66. So that one, actually, I was able to adjust this one to get the ambient perfect. But I had to kick it on high to get it up. So I was able to adjust it down 5 degrees because this one actually said that it was 72 in here and it was actually only 66. So I just did all this. Hope this helps for some people. And yes, the company is aware of this. As of yesterday, I've only had the heaters on for a week and a half and I've had nothing but issues. And like I said in my review, I would be worried, not be as worried if it was just one that I bought and it was just one having issues, but it's all 3. So hope this helps.
So I felt the need to do a review on this because sometimes I don't like people's reviews. And I don't feel like it does the product any justice. So here's mine. I thought it was going to be a little bit more thin profile than what it is, but that's not a big deal. I did choose the one with the plug. If I'd known that I was going to like it as much as I do, then I would have gotten the one that was hardwired. But this does work. I have it in my bedroom. Yeah, I'm not going to show my bedroom, but it's a pretty big size and it works really well. I have it connected. Echo, turn on heater.
Okay.
And so I do have it connected. It works really well. I like it. I have it set on 70. When the lights are off, the thermostat dims out so you don't see the bright light. I did read some reviews where they said it was too bright, but mine turns off when the room is dark. Anyway, but that's my review. It's pretty good. No complaints from me. I'm actually glad that I purchased it. I'm probably going to buy a couple more for the basement. And yeah, we'll see how it does with the electric bill because baseboard heating in the north skyrockets electric bills. So yeah.
As a thermostat, so it will say at whatever temperature you set it. Wi-Fi button. This can rotate or stay in different directions. Got the plug, the more expensive plug, because it has a circuit breaker in it. Very responsive. Honestly, the best heater I've ever bought.
Hi there! I just wanna show you this wall-mounted heater that we are using at home. We installed it and was so easier to install. In this room, now it's working so good. It was very easy to set up, and this is the display. If you see, you can make all the change with these touch buttons. And the best part is that this heater is now using space on the floor, and you can just put it on a wall in your room. And also this one is working really great for this room, and it's a medium room, and it's keeping warm this room. So it's a good option if you need. And the thing that we really like it is that this type of devices, the consumption of electricity is too low. I think that is the best part, so we highly recommend this.
Ask your dermatologist about good sellings today.
We needed some extra heat in our mudroom that is only lightly insulated. This is quiet. It was easy to install on the wall. It puts out a good amount of heat. We are very pleased with how the chill in the air in this room has momentously been reduced. I think this is a wonderful product. It's been holding up well. We've been using it regularly for a couple of months now. I would definitely recommend it.
Alexa, turn on heater.
Okay.
What?